Yeah, and who's to say? Gotta live this or that way. God make the rules, and predators take advantage of fools. Follow me, cause that's what society says. You gotta must do the people I hold dear, even though they aren't here. Get what you can as you live in sin. Take a chance, give me a break. No more excuses to be fake. You're different, pin-up rage comes from violence at an early age. They don't feel like I feel. They'll never understand I can't please man. Denial is destruction, and confinement the repercussion. Take your hands off me from the old man. I flee jealousy, hate, animosity, anger. Put my life in danger, smoking crack, breaking my back for this weed sack. Sleeping with women, seeping in venom just for sex. Down with the whatever next. Living for a feeling, escaping reality is my only mentality. Capacity, going nowhere fast. So who cares if I'm last? Living for today, or is it for my past? You're so blind, and you feel fine, cause in your heart you shine. Even though happiness you can't find. Old man, rise up inside of me. Old man, I used to be holding me hostage. Always in my thoughts, trying to control my actions. Pick up the gun, blow away your new life. You know you're not happy unless you're miserable. No one I can feel your pain, and who's to say you're insane? I control your brain, I'll take over from here. Just sit there while I make myself clear. Nobody likes you, people just can't relate what you've been through. Give it up, it's hopeless, helpless, your life's a mess. You did your best to conceal how you feel, but you know what? That ain't real, you're roadkill. Once again, I'm your only friend, I care, I'll take away all your fear. Just crack open another beer. They just can't break me or make me care. Even though hellfire I fear, people do the same every day and don't have to pay. So just sit back, listen what I say. Old man rising up inside of me. Old man I used to be, will not let me be free. He feeds off the pain, calculating through my veins, brain driving me insane. Old man, you'll be the death of me. Release me, give me peace, old man. Old man, I've been. So here's the plan. Stuff happens, people die. Lord, I can't even cry, even though I try. Time for a change, time for something new. Cause I can't go on through life without this knife at my throat. I gotta swim, cause if I sink any further, there's no need to proceed down this road with such a heavy load. Such a heavy load. The veil has been lifted, my soul has been gifted. I don't have to pretend I'm someone I'm not.